How to pay SPayLater in Shopee using GCash. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you will have to open up your wallet, and after that in your wallet you will be able to find the option of SPayLater. Just click on it. So after clicking on SPayLater, after that you will be able to find the option of bills. Select current bills and then click on pay now. After that it will ask you to select the payment method. Just click on it and then select payment center or e-wallet, and under this you will be able to find the GCash option. Just confirm it and after that click on pay now. Then it will ask you to provide your email address in order to receive the details regarding this particular transaction. After that you need to just click on pay again and just log into your GCash account by clicking on this option of next, and the amount will be shown over here that needs to be paid. Just pay the amount, and this is how you will be able to pay using GCash in Shopee. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.